Here's a quick look at how to put a Panasonic WhisperFit series bathroom fan in. I call it the SWAPOUT. You can get a look at the things you need to do and see if you feel comfortable taking it on yourself. First, you got to get the old fan out, and it usually takes a little muscle and a few tools. Small pry bar, hammer, and a drill should do the trick. Occasionally, you may need to cut through metal or screws, so have an oscillating tool and the right blade handy just in case. Next, Panasonic makes installation easy with a cardboard tracer for the ceiling so you know exactly what size to make the new hole each and every time. Wiring the fan is pretty straightforward. Keeping things neat and organized is the key. You'll need a wire connector to secure the wiring from the house to the fan junction box. Once everything's in place, do a test fitting before you finalize anything. Use screws to secure any bracing you need for the fan. Set the fan motor in place and finish attaching it to the ceiling. Connect the power and install the cover. A new bathroom exhaust fan is worthless if you don't route it completely outside. It shouldn't be directed into your attic. Otherwise, the moisture will find a way right back inside the house. Care and attention should be given to the way you connect the duct to the fan. You should avoid connecting new fans to older 3-inch ducts, as it will restrict airflow. Lastly, get a can of spray foam and seal around the fan so that air from your house doesn't mix with the air from the attic and vice versa.